Hey Anthony, good question. I just pulled up the song, and your question is how da da da. You're figuring it out by ear. What keys are being pressed on the bass side? Let's listen together. I'm just pulling up the song. I'm going to do a playback exercise. Da 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 da. So I know what key it's in, likely, because the melody is G, G, B flat, G. This is giving me two notes. And I know, because of experience, in general, this is half science and half playing by ear. So when I say science, it's musical theory. Given a G and a B flat, the chord that's being revealed to me is a G minor. And I could try that on my left hand. Or the G and the B flat could also be a part of an E flat major. But I don't hear the song as a major. The first chord that we're given, the first note, is probably a G minor. There we go. G minors, right? So if I'm to sing back over this, da 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 da, that works. If I was to sing that same melody, I'm just rewinding. Over the E flat, it's another song. It sounds better with a G minor over it. And that's the art part of it. We could do a G minor over a E minor if we want. But I feel a dissonance. I feel a vibration that's wrong to my ears. So let's stay with a G minor over G minor. And now the science part of it, the music part of it, also starts to dictate some musical forms that are common. Given a one chord, the first chord, that's a minor. Given that it's an Eastern European song, I know that the next chords, there's probably three chords that it might go to. It might go to the 5 chord, the chord that's right next to it, that's a D major. And I say it might because usually Eastern European songs, these kinds of songs, like to do that chord change. It also might go to the 4 chord, the chord that's next to it, but going down. So it might be a C minor. And it might involve all 3 of those chords. The G minor, the C minor, the D, and the G minor. In some sort of order. Let's listen and let's keep going. I just want to double check. So, right? Given those notes, the F sharp really stands out, and the A, I know in my head that that's a D major, right? So D major or D7, G minor to D7 to G minor, and there's that common song form that we keep seeing in music, the 1 to the 5 to the 1. Let's keep listening. Double checking. To the C minor. It's textbook. It's what this kind of song sounds like. G minor. C minor, G, D, G minor, or C minor, D, G minor. Let's keep going. Again. Same 3 chords. Same. Looking for a change. Those are also similar, eh? Improvising with a G minor, with a C minor, with a D. I'm trying to see if there's a part where it goes to a B flat, to an F. I haven't heard it yet though. It does. B flat. So, in general, this song form, we see it in lots of other songs. From that G minor, we go up using the F. You look at my lesson on Katyusha. It uses really similar chords. Moscow Nights as well, but it might be inappropriate right now. B flat. F to B flat. G minor, D to G minor. So those chords interplay with each other very nicely. I hope that answers your question. So a lot of it is ear training. What do you hear and play it back? And then a lot of it is the science of song templates, song forms, song patterns. Given a chord, it's very likely that there are 3 or 4 chord patterns that will come up. And it's playing them. You don't need to follow this song specifically. Obviously, if you want to learn the song, follow this chord setting specifically. But otherwise, sit down with your G minor. Do it as a waltz. To the D to G minor. C minor to D to G minor. B flat to F. Right? Lots of songs use those chords. I'm thinking of La Noyée. G minor to B flat to F to C minor. And what chord haven't we used? We've used the B flat, we've used the F, we've used the C minor, we've used the G minor. Let's use that D, just like in this song. Right, so again, those chords slightly rearranged, but this song has 4, 5 chords. Play around with them. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for this nice song.